up, guys? Let's go hit some trail. Whoa, what are you doing? Good thing I've got brakes on this thing. Hey guys, I got this question from a follower, a viewer, avid watcher, one of you guys out there. And the question was, what brake fluid do you put in an Altera 570, 550, 700? This goes for Tracker, Textron, and Arctic Cat. Well, the answer is .4 brake fluid. Simple as that. Make sure you get the right brake fluid, otherwise your brakes will have problems. Well, that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, smash that like button down below. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you guys there.